In this video, I'll detail how to get an app back on the home screen of your iPhone. So if you mistakenly delete an app on your iPhone home screen and you couldn't find the app again on the home screen, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily get an app back to the home screen of your iPhone or even an iPad. So if you're none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to get any application back to your iPhone home screen is first find out whether the application is deleted or not. So if the application is deleted, the application will not be available on the home screen as well as the hype library. So if you find an application missing on your iPhone home screen, just go to your hype library, then search for the name of the application, maybe this application, Bible, then I can just press and hold it. If I found it, then drag it back to my iPhone home screen. So, like this. So, if the application was deleted on my iPhone, all you just need to do to get back the application to your iPhone home screen is open the App Store. Once you open the App Store on your iPhone, click on this search and then search for the name of the application you want to add back to your iPhone home screen. Let's say I want to add the Bible application or whatever application I want to add, like this. Then you can just locate the exact application, click on it, and then tap the get button to get the application, and you'll be prompted to confirm your Apple ID account, and you'll be prompted to confirm your Face ID if Face ID is set up for installing application on your iPhone. So that is basically how you can get an app back to the home screen on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.